Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch the primary mouse button on your macOS Big Sur device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and left click on the System Preferences icon down in the System Dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select where it says Mouse. And now at this point you should be seeing an option that says primary mouse button. If you want to switch it from left to the right mouse click pointer, go ahead and just left click on the right option. And now the left click function has been transferred over to the right click function. So you'd have to do everything opposite now. But if you want to switch it back, you just would right click on the left option and that would resume most people would normally associate the mouse button functions with. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.